Morning and Jai Hind, my dear students. Now I am going to start chapter 4, log on to animate. Some topic I have explained to you. Now the main things today I will explain to you. First one, the things what is a animate. So animate is a software which is used to create animation, and that animate software produced by Adobe system, formerly Macromedia, comes under a Macromedia. So it is used to create animation. What do you mean by animation? The creation of, the movement of objects on the screen along with the various effect, just like playing music, moving objects, is known as a animation. How to open animation? To open animation, click on start button, all program, and then select Adobe Animate CC. So this way you have to create animation. After that, the first screen of an Adobe Animate CC, you have to select is action script 3. So it will be create a new file section. Okay, when you create a new file section, you will get workspace. Now I would like to explain you workspace. So see, you can see the all components which is appearing on this screen is known as a workspace. First one is a menu bar, you can see that. Second is a tool panel. Third one is this is known as a stage. This gray color is known as a work area, and this one is known as a timeline. A timeline consists of many components such as a layer. You can say this one is known as a frame, and this red pin like structure which is known as a playhead. So these all, and this one is a property inspector. So individually I will explain you one by one all the menu. So you can see stage. So if we are talking about the stage, this one is known as a stage. I am moving this body, I am removing that one because this is the thing. I have created a simple F5, F6. You can see that this is known as a stage. The size of stage is 550 into 400. This one is showing on the property window. Property window where you can see that 550 into 400 pixel. This is the size of your screen. Not screen, it's a stage. So my dear student, this is the default size of your stage. Okay, now the next one is a control panel. Control panel is divided into 4 sections. You can see this one is a drawing section. So these tools are used to make a drawing. After that, view section. View section is used to show the magnifying your screen. जैसे suppose you are clicking on the zoom tool, तो this will be enlarge. ये आपका enlarge होता जाएगा. Okay, and if this one is a hand tool, तो hand tool is used to move your screen. Screen को move करने के लिए we are using that. So this one is a home section. I am making view को, इसको मैं control M, control Z, control M, control. Okay, so view, control minus. So control minus is used to zoom out, and control plus is used to zoom in. You see that when you press control plus, so it will be enlarge, your screen will be enlarged, and when you press control minus, so your zoom will be out from the magnifying. Okay student. Now the next one is a color tool. So there are two color tool. First one is a stroke color and second one is a fill color. Stroke color क्या होता है? What is stroke color? You can see when I am going to show that there are अब इसको क्या हो गया भाई? हाँ, अब you have seen that I have selected this image, and I can change the color of outline. So how to I will change the color of outline? This one is known as a stroke color. With the help of stroke color we can change the outline of this image. आप इसमें देख सकते हो, you can see that when I will see property window, property window में when I click that, it is showing only this one, और क्या नहीं लिखा? Control Z, file, new, I have drawn this. You can see that when I am making with the help of a stroke tool, the size I can make it large. What I will do? First I have to select this image and then select the whole image and then make the thickness of outline. You can see that if up here I would like to change their size, so how to change the color of outline of this image? Select all and then go to color, select, it's a not a it's a blue color. So you can see that the outline of the image is given blue color. So this color can be changed with the help of stroke color. Okay, so this one is a stroke color. Now second one in the color section is known as a fill color. So this fill color is used to change the color of the inside of figure. अब जैसे this one is known as a fill color. If I want to change this red color, so you can see this has been changed red color. So this is about the color section. Now the next one is a option tool. So with the help of option tool we can change various effect. जैसे suppose I am going to remove this image, and this one is a pencil tool. When I will select pencil tool, so you can see in a option it has given different mood of pencil, जैसे straighten, smooth and ink. So suppose we have selected here pencil tool as a smooth. Now I can move my this way. So I can draw a line this way, and with the help of selection tool, if you are selecting this tool and you move your mouse over the image, so you can change there this way, like this way. When you can observe there, when the shape of mouse is changed into a curve, so you can change their shape like this, like this, like this. So you can give their shape as per your choice, like this. Okay, so this is all about the option tool. So there are 4 sections of option tool. First one is drawing, painting tool. Second one is a view section. Third one is a color, and the next one is a option tool. Okay, now the next one is a menu bar. Menu is providing control over the command. So you can see that this is known as a menu. This is known as the menu file. So each group having a different command, जैसे new, open, open from site, open recent, close, close all, save. So such kind of commands are appearing for individual menu: edit menu, view, insert, modify, text, command, control, window, etc. So all these having a special command which is used to do the operation when you are going to create animation. So each individual commands of a menu is very important. So now student, I am going to the next session. Start. Now the next one is a timeline. The timeline is a rectangular window that is present at the top of the stage. It is the area where one control of sequence of timing of graphic and other element of movie. Okay, so the major component of timeline is layer, frame and playhead. So that I have explained here, and here this box is known as a timeline, so I told there. Now come to the next is frame. I have explained. Keyframe also I have explained. And next now is the layer. What is a layer? Layer are like a transparent sheet stacked on top of one another, each containing a different stage that appear on the stage. So this is a layer which is used to create animation. So my dear student, a layer here, if I will show that, if I am creating, see, that is a one layer, insert one more layer, insert one more layer, command दिखाओ ना ऊपर ऐसे, again I am going to insert one more layer. So you can say all the layers are appearing here when we are going to create here, and individual layer having a strip of frames. The 8 frames you can see that. So layer 3 has a strip of frames, layer 2 has layer 4, layer 1. So all layer having a strip of frames, so you can create animation separately. Now come to the next. Playhead. The playhead indicates the current frame displayed on stage. It is represented by a red frame and a red vertical line below it in the timeline window. So it moves from left to right on the timeline as movie proceeds through the frame. The speed of playhead movement is based on the keyframe rate. Pause. I am going to delete this layer. When we are going to, this is a playhead, and suppose we are going to create some animation over here. So delete it now. See that one circle I have drawn here and convert it into a symbol, F6 and then Control Z, F8, convert it into a symbol. तो symbol में convert करने के लिए we have to make it F8 and then go to option. Now it has been converted into a symbol. You can see it is appearing on the library. So whenever you are going to change any object into a symbol, it will be stored in a library. Now I am going to change the position. So to change the position, first I have to bring my mouse over the frame number 60 and then apply there F6. Yani ki I am inserting here keyframe and then moving this circle from here to here. Now I will keep my mouse in between the frame and then apply there right click and then apply there create motion. You can see that this movie is moving slow. This object is moving slow on the screen. So that speed, and here you can see that it is appearing very slow. So now how to change this speed? So first you can see if I am going to play it, it will be showing like this, and test movie के लिए we have to see that. Okay, now I would like to change their speed. So how to change their speed? Simply we will go to modify option and stop this, go to modify option, and from the modify option I have to select their document. To select the document property, we can shortcut, we can use here Control J. So Control J से we can change their property, document property, and you can see that there are given a frame rate. So if we are making it 60, then you see what will happen. Again you can move this movie. So you can see the speed of movie is, the speed of that object is very fast, faster than the previous one. If I want to put their FPS again, yani frame per second, so select modify and then document, and you have to put there 120 and then okay. सही से करो ना, दिख नहीं रहा है. Put it properly, इसको सीधा करके ऐसे रखो तब ना दिखेगा ये ऐसे. Okay, now once again we have to run. So you can see that it will be moved very fast. So this is FPS, frame per second, is used to speed up the animation, or you can make it slow. So what is the value, default value of FPS? So default value of FPS is 12. Okay student, तो default value of FPS is 12 होता है. Now you can give range 0.01 to 120, यानी you cannot exceed more than 120 value in a FPS, and the least value you can give 0.01 in FPS.